just bare, nothing to them. With the Ford product, we use the factory Ford windows, which seem to hold up pretty well.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go to this next one because this is in line roll here. So.
Okay, so they roll down this assembly line right here.
Yes, sir. So this is kind of. Now this station they've done a little more.
Okay.
The first station is basically a lot of prep, roughing the roof holes for your air conditioner.
And you put down the floor insulation, subfloor.
Yep.
And this is going to be a double couch one, so we got the raised platform.
This will be a D. Yep.
I think it'd lay out
A D.
No, we don't run any wires underneath. But one thing we do that I don't believe a lot of our competitors float the floor, level it out because of these ridges.
Oh, they put something in there?
Yeah, they'll use a putty or a Bondo and flatten it.
Right.
We decided to leave it open. It allows it to breathe.
Right.
Yeah.
You have an air gap under there.
Correct.
Which is also more insulation, probably too.
Absolutely, yeah, because it
And sound
got
deadening.
cold against warm. It can cause moisture. So this is kind of just a better way to do it, we thought.
Right, and that's like Dynamat on the wheel wells.
Correct. Hush mat. Yep.
Hush mat.
Yep.
Okay. And it's got a swivel front seat on the passenger side, it looks like. It's plumbing, it looks like.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yep. We haven't gotten any driver's seat swivels yet. We're still because of the emergency brake.
Oh, that's in the way, huh? Gotta move that.
Yep.
And this one has the bike rack, I see.
Yes.
Can I open that door?
Go ahead. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right.
So here's kind of our lift. We do a lot of the interior plumbing. They install the generator, rough it in back there, and they kind of do the final when they can lift it up. Finish connecting everything.
So they do the generator at 1.
Yep.
2 basically works 2 again.
They do a lot of like the flooring and some rough electrical.
There's
rough.
plumbing. Freshwater tank could be under the couch there, under the sofa.
People literally fight.
Really?
Really?
Oh yeah.
And there you can see the rock wool insulation. There's
And we
the
use the rock wool.
Truma heater.
We also have what you can option in is it's called phase.
And that would be a black tank right there, because the bathroom's right there. And here's the one-piece fiberglass showers.
The good thing about them is they're very durable, and if anything does happen to happen, any damage or a defect, they're repairable. Just like a boat, if you hit a rock in your boat, you don't throw it away, you go to a fiberglass specialist and repair it. So it's,
Okay.
It doesn't cave in at all.
no, it's pretty sturdy stuff. Yes.
Okay, and here you can see, there's
So
your
here you guys see
freshwater
a little
tank.
further along, you're gonna see a lot more wiring going on, starting to add some more plumbing. We put the Truma in here, start adding some of the basic appliances.
The Truma.
Truma's right
Yep,
up
right
here,
in front of
but
the water tank. If
it's on the ground up on the
want to
floor.
step
Yeah, we're right there. See that?
you guys want to come along the side here,
Okay,
you
so
can get a
that's-
good look at it. Watch your step.
Wow, the fresh water tank's pretty big. I don't know how many gallons that is.
30.
Looks big.
The water pump right next to it for easy access.
Showers installed. Water pump. Truma.
You do any repairs or anything here?
We have a repair facility down the street.
And here you can see the
on the Coachmen
sensors
Complex,
for
this
the
time of year is like
monitoring of the tanks there on the fresh.
Usually-
Faucet.
And there's the sensors for the monitoring of the black tank.
Oh gosh, yeah. Start doing some working towards the finish work. Hold tight, guys. I really want to show you some of this phase change stuff.
Okay,
It's
okay.
really cool.
Here's the rock wool, R15. Bunch of wires and cabling, heavy cables there.
That is an option. It's a vegetable-based substance. It's proprietary, patented. Nobody really knows what it is, other than it's non-toxic. And they state it has the R factor of a cinder block.
Wow. Wow.
And it's hard.
Yep, and once heat hits it, it absorbs it and softens it up.
Gotcha.
Oh, okay.
So then it dissipates the heat after it starts cooling. So if you're in a hot desert climate, it is going to give you two factors.
Yep.
Cooling factor during the day, and then at night it gets kind of cold, it will redissipate it out. So
And that's being put in them right now?
as an option.
Oh, okay.
We're getting prepped for the lithium. We have the 3,000 watt Xantrix inverter. Xantrix has been a great partner of ours. You talk about customer service. They're for vendor support. I mean,
Awesome, huh?
awesome.
And this is the sofa model because it doesn't have the raised section.
Correct. Yes, sir.
And the lithium battery is going to go back here somewhere also?
Right.
Yes.
Right there.
Yep. And on this model with the lithium, the fresh tank goes underneath
Okay.
in place of where the generator would have been. So when that happens, they automatically get a tank heater on.
Oh, it automatically goes to the tank heater? Okay.
Yep.
Tank heater. Oh, to keep the tank. Oh,
Correct.
okay.
Yep.
What about the water lines for
Not
the
the
tank?
water lines, just to, because then you're getting into the polar package scenario, and it's just enough to, give the customers a peace of mind that, if you're camping and it gets a little cold overnight, just hit the button, you're going to be fine.
Okay, so there we go. So there's your water pump on the sofa model, and the lithium battery package will be right here in the middle.
Yep, and the inverter will go off to the side.
And the inverter
once
will
they mount it.
Yeah, that's just placed there right now.
Yep.
And a little storage, I guess, too.
Yes.
Little storage.
Yeah, that's always the thing with these Class Bs. We try to literally utilize every square inch.
We appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fill every square inch.
Yeah, there
And here you
go.
can see some of the cabinets.
Pull down.
Any of our competitors is the type of vinyl we use. Nick could rattle off all the numbers and data. I know it's top of the line, doesn't absorb any smell, any moisture. You go into a lot of these coaches and you have the kind of like the fabric-y, cottony stuff. And if you cook dinner, well, now your coach smells like dinner.
Right, yeah.
I mean, I love bacon, I cook bacon, I love bacon, but
Yeah.
a day later I still
Yeah.
smell it and I
Exactly.
can't stand it. So materials like this, I believe it's hydrolysis, I don't want to be quoted on it, but it's far and beyond any of our competitors.
Wipe it right down.
It's very durable. And the good thing is it's a vinyl-based product, so if you accidentally tear it, cut it, it can be repaired.
There you can see some of the face change behind that.
All the details are just...
More of the face change insulation there.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like they cut it.
And there's some more
then
face
it
changing. And
ended
the
there.
cabinet refrigerator
You gotta make a
does.
decision of when you buy it, no matter when you do, there's gonna be.
Is our cabinetry.
Yeah.
This is all real hard wood.
Yeah.
You're not going to find one piece of wrapped particle board in this vehicle.
No, it's beautiful.
Which means, RVs can spring leaks sometimes.
Oh, they,
If water hits this, no
Yeah.
big deal. It's a laminated hardwood, some of it, but it's still all hardwood.
Wood, yeah.
The,
It's not,
So if you get a little bit of water on it, you don't have to throw it away. You
Right.
just wipe up the water and you're done.
And good hinges on the upper cabinets that stay up, or you always keep them
Yes.
an eye open for improvements there.
One other thing.
That could be improved
there's a
every
refrigerator
year,
cabinet.
probably.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Because nothing worse than hinges.
So here they did a little more cabinetry, starting to get things buttoned up, a lot more wiring going on.
wires.
So we got a lot of wiring hanging out.
Yeah. No, that's.
Before that station's all rough wire, and then we start adding more cabinetry and have to pull more wires through. And this is another lithium coach, obviously. You'll see where the battery's going to go. They got the battery tray in there. Some more cabinetry.
Are these spec vans or already purchased, probably?
We don't build any open, so they're either retail sold or dealer sold. Obviously, we try to accommodate, if a dealer says, hey, I've got a retail sold, we try to fit them in best we can. But a lot of manufacturers build open orders and then push. We allow our dealers to come to us, how many do you want? What that does is it just allows for better business.
Yeah. Y'all are always listening, which is wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah, like,
absolutely.
Yeah,
Look on the back of ours.
yeah, I saw that.
Oh, did you guys have one as well?
Yeah, and,
And a stowaway too.
well,
All right, so here's a pure Amish craftsmanship.
Yeah.
And that's not stenciled, that's real stuff.
yeah, they are. They're very nice. They're very nice.
And there's your bottom catches.
Very nice. Let's see them. Ooh, and you know what's cool about, let me see those bottom catches.
Sure.
My observation is they're screwed on, they're not stapled on.
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely. That's the advantage of using real wood, it screws a hole.
Yeah, otherwise if it was particle, you might have to just staple, who knows?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And if one staple doesn't do it, you've seen it 40.
Put some paste in it.
Yes, yes.
Elbows. It's probably good wood, it's probably better than staples.
Yeah.
So here we're getting down the line, they're gonna do a lot of electrical finish here. Now here they're gonna start adding more bells and whistles and a little more of the final finish end of things.
Is that the fresh water tank there?
Yes.
That's huge.
This is
It's
not,
huge, it
this-
looks bigger than what you,
yeah, but this is not the lithium.
Non-lithium.
The
Yep.
so
lithium
it's
one
gonna be
doesn't.
underneath, yes.
Right. That's,
Oh, it is awesome.
Because we have, in our van right now, we have been on the road for 14 days and we have not stopped at a campground.
Oh,
We have spent,
Fantastic.
this is how much we've spent on camping expenses.
yeah?
$5 to dump one day.
Wow. That is cool.
at a KOA.
Nice.
The next KOA wanted $20.
Oh my goodness.
$5. Yeah. I like that you also leave the windows big and open on the back doors.
Yeah, absolutely.
We had a road trek and they put a big panel over it.
Really?
So the window was just a little small rectangle.
And like you're stuck on a ship?
Yeah, and it was like, and they got that big old glass window with a cover over it.
Yeah.
Yep, so here you're gonna see a little more finished product. They're starting to button things up.
Yeah, yeah.
Tying everything together.
Got seats in now.
We don't have a window on this side.
Pardon me?
Is there no window, open window here? Or here it is.
Well, it depends on the floor plan if it's gonna be.
Yeah, because ours has the window in the back.
Actually have a lot of customers that have
here's-
homeowners associations and
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
get away with it.
Because, yeah.
Even though they have an awning, they're like, well, you know what, it doesn't really look like an RV.
Yeah.
Any bigger than a pickup truck.
No swoop paints and.
Exactly, yes,
So
yes,
keep
we
it that way.
we don't do the crazy decals.
That's what I wouldn't want.
The one.
Get a repaint.
Now, we do get a question a lot, why don't we insulate our rear doors and our slider doors? Because of the lock mechanisms, we can't tamper with that. We are looking at other solutions, so.
Yeah.
We're thinking of putting like an insulated drape back there.
And that's, yeah.
Sure.
Just get out of there.
Okay, now this one has a screen
Your safety
Yeah.
doors opposed
and the shower doors are on.
Well, actually, our egress on these are a slider door and either of the fronts. These are small enough, and this is just kind of a bonus over everything with a fine-tooth comb and do additional testing and put all the.
Okay, so here we go. This has got the new faucet, which is nice. And this has also a
Yes,
induction cooktop.
yes.
There's an outlet back there,
Found that,
which you have to remember in case you have to get to and plug in the microwave. Xantrax inverter, power box, power converter there.
This one, this
Now,
is the
something that we're working on again. We listen to our customers, and not all of them want it, but
Yeah, some kayakers out there.
yes, absolutely.
A lot of kayakers.
Or just for general walking.
Yep.
Okay, here's one that's getting really close. This has got the nice slate colored countertop. It's got the nice sink,
We'll have to get you an elevator.
metal rack here, spice rack.
Yeah.
Got the window blinds in, TV mount. And what I really love, the 12 volt Nova Cool refrigerator and freezer. That's nice.
They're 3.5 years old as far as class.
And it's got the newer brackets here.
Absolutely. Right, and that's, there is a fine line there. we bring ideas to Nick all the time, and we have to consider price point.
Yeah,
You know, we want to be the best. We don't want to be the most expensive. We want to be the
And here's the new sewer hose system.
But I think that the whole idea that you're working on that is huge.
It's right down the back.
Because, you want your